So we want to split the following algebraic fraction into partial fractions. The denominator has 3 different linear factors. We can split that into a over x plus b over x minus 1 plus c over 2x plus 1. So now we need a common denominator. We are going to multiply the first fraction by x minus 1 and 2x plus 1. We're going to multiply the second fraction by x, 2x plus 1, and the third one by x minus 1. Now we can lose the common denominator, so we are going to write down 6x squared plus 5x minus 2 equal to a x minus 1, 2x plus 1 plus b x 2x plus 1 plus cx x minus 1. And now we're going to use substitution. If we're going to start to substitute first, x equal to 1. And what we want to do, we want to work out the values of a, b, and c. So if we substitute first as x equal to 1, we are going to substitute in the left-hand side as well in the right-hand side. 6 times 1 squared plus 5 times 1 minus 2 is going to give us, this will be 0, as well as this is going to be 0. So we can work out the value of b. So we are going to get b times 1, 2 times 1 plus 1 in here. So if you use a calculator, we work out left-hand side will be 9 equal to 3b. So therefore the value of b must be equal to 3. We have managed to work out the first value. Now we want to substitute the second value. When we're going to substitute the second value, we got from here, we managed to get x equal to 1. The next one, I am going to substitute x equals 0 because that comes from here. So therefore, I will have 6 lots of 0 squared plus 5 lots of 0 minus 2 equal to, where therefore this is going to be 0, this is going to be 0 as well. We can work out the value of a in this case. So I will have a 0 minus 1, and I substitute x by 0, and I have 2 times 0 plus 1, therefore. So if I work out the left-hand side as well as the right-hand side, in this case, we are going to get a as equal to 2. Have the value of a. And now we want to substitute the very last number, and that will come from here. If you equal that to 0, we can substitute then the value of x. It's going to be minus a half. So what we are going to write down, we are going to have 6 lots of minus a half squared plus 5 lots of minus a half minus 2 equal to, therefore this is going to be 0, this is going to be 0, which will allow us to work out, therefore, the value of b in this case, the value of c. So we are going to get c times minus a half minus a half minus 1. We were going to work out, and if you're going to work out, we get c as equal to minus 4. Substitute back into the partial fraction to replace them back in. So we are going to get a, which is 2 over x plus 3 over x minus 1 and minus 4 over 2x plus 1.